process actually required proper planning and preparation. Just like teachers, you will require especially trained teachers who can handle especially children in general education. So teachers training is required. In the same way, modification in curriculum is required. Facilities also will be needed there to fulfill the special need of these persons. So there are so many things which we have to prepare for starting inclusive education in general education programs. Another thing is the coordination and cooperation among working units. Just like just like government schools, private schools who are offering special education, they have to be prepared and coordinate with each other, because presently most of the private schools are working on this concept. Government, some of the or the very few government schools are working in this concept. So there must be some correlation, coordination among these two system of education to make it successful. So we can go for inclusive education, we can have good results, and we can provide facilities to special needs children, because that will be beneficial for all, especially for the parents, for the children, as well as from economical point of view. So I think it's a very good idea for starting inclusive education within general education setup. Thank you so much.